Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Wassallallahu ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wasallam. Walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Good morning everyone. So today is Saturday, 2nd of May, second lesson for our second lesson for this week. Still dividing on fractions, but a new one for today. All right, so we have looked at dividing fractions. For example, dividing fractions with whole number. We have done that. We have also looked at dividing proper fractions. Okay, something like this. We have looked at something like that, something like that. Now, today, we are going to look at dividing fractions with mixed numbers. Alright, so something like this. This is a whole number. It has a father, mother, and a kid. Okay, divide by a proper fraction 1/5. This is same thing juga, sama juga macam yang kamu belajar last week. Yang kamu belajar is times, and you know how to do this. It's just that today it's divide. Okay, so same thing as before, similar steps. Let's just now 1 whole 1/4 divided by 1/5. Can you divide terus? Of course not, and you know that. You need to change something. Which one do you need to change? Yes, the mixed number. So change this to improper fraction. Times plus. Okay, the clock method. Let me just write down our S2S for today. So our S2S first thing first is change. Teacher pakai shortcut saja ya. Change mix to improper. Change mix to improper using clock method, the one that you have learned and the one that you have done last week. Okay, so clock method, you times first and then you plus. I would like to see this, please. So 1 times 4 is equal to 4, and then 4 bawah turun ke bawah. This answer bawah turun ke bawah. 4 plus berapa tu? Plus 1 equals to 5. Please lihat benar-benar this one. Some of you ada confused macam mana change mixed number to improper using clock method. Now then, apanya teacher? You bulatkan this one. There is a reason why you need to bulatkan this one, because you are going to take it as the numerator. And then to not make you confused, please draw a cloud around your working. So take 5. That's going to be your numerator. Over, what's your denominator? Denominator, this one. Bukannya ambil di sini. Mina, 4. Ini ngam. Ya 4. Okay, ada masanya ya ngam. But you take this one. Denominator. The denominator stays the same. 4. Done. That's step 1. Now, bawah turun ke bawah. Divide by 1/5. Oh, look. This looks familiar. Our lesson from yesterday. Dividing proper fractions. Okay, coba lagi. 1/5. Dividing proper fractions. Same as to S. So what do you have to do first? You look at the fractions on the right. Then you flip. Okay? So flip fractions on the right. This one. Flip. So this one stays. So this becomes 5/4 divided by yang di bawah ke atas, yang di atas ke bawah. 5/1. And then, what do? You have to bayar. Apa yang di-change? Change division to multiplication. So, 5 over 4 times 5 over 1. Then, multiplying proper fractions, which you have learned last week. When you multiply proper fraction, you just multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So this becomes 25, 5 times 5 over 4 times 1 is 4. Okay, can you simplify? So that's this one. I'll just write it down. Multiply the fractions. Okay, I know teacher tahu, ini kamu tahu sudah. Kalau kamu multiply fractions when it's proper and proper, numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. And then, so the answer is 25 over 4. If dapat disimplify, simplify. If not, then don't. Then that's your answer. So I'll write it down here. Simplify if can. Okay? Alright. Next example for today. Two whole 1 over 2 divided by 5 over 6. Step 1. Sama saja, change mix to improper using clock method. So, mana mix? This one, right? Has a father, mother, and a kid. So, you change it using clock method. Now, you times first, and yang di times, and then you plus. I would like to see cloud working over here. So, 2 times 2 gives you 4. Lepas tu, 4 bawa ke bawah. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 1. 4 plus 1, which is 5. And then, you circle this one. And don't forget to draw a cloud so that I know what you're doing. Ambil this 5. That's going to be your numerator over 2. Because 2 is the denominator. Ingat, denominatornya stays the same. Okay? And then bring this down ke bawah. Okay? So, sama jua. Step 2, flip fractions on the right. That should be singular. Flip fraction on the right. So this is the fraction on the right. So flip, yeah. Okay, flip. There you go. So this becomes 5 over 2 divided by yang di bawah ke atas, yang di atas ke bawah. So this becomes 6 over 5. Next, step 3. Change division to multiplication. Division ini kamu tukar ke multiplication. So 5 over 2 times 6 over 5. Okay? So the normal method first. Normal method. Step 4. Multiply the fractions. Numerator times numerator. Denominator times denominator. So this becomes 5 times 6. 30 over 2 times 5, 10. Can you simplify? Indah teacher, sebab ani 30, ani 10. Yes, you can. Both are even. Okay, don't look at 3. Look at the whole number, 30. 30 is even, 10 is even. Divide by 10. Okay, or, okay, let me just show it to you. 30 divided by 10 is 3. 10 divided by 10 is 1. 3 over 1 ani. Okay, most of you must say what 3 over 1 are. 3 over 1, what is 3 over 1? It's 3. Okay, asal saja any number over 1, it's the whole number itself, 3. Alright? Okay, so that's the first method. Okay, next, remember cancelling method? our lesson yesterday, but this is for those yang confident sahaja. Okay, cancelling method. Okay, so you can take it from here. Ini sama je masih now. This one, 5/2 times 6/2. 6/5. Now you can cancel diagonally. Okay, x. Kamu boleh cancel je atas bawah. Okay, as long as they are in the same timetable. Okay, let's look at diagonally. This and this. 2 and 6. Adakah durang dalam satu timetable yang sama? Yes. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. Yes. 2 and 6. They are arah timetable 2. So, 2 divided by 2 is 1. So, this becomes 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So, this becomes 3. Okay? Ada lagi yang dapat kamu cancel? This one, 5 and 5. I'm going to use different marker pens so that you can see. 5 and 5. Adakah durang? They are the same. So, they should be in the same multiplication. 1 times 5 is 5. Okay? So, 5 divided by 5 is 1. So, this becomes 1. This becomes 1. Okay, cuba lihat bisa-bisa apa yang tinggal here. So, yang tinggal is 1/1. Okay, 1/1 times 3/1. Okay, this is the same as 1 whole times. This is the same as 3. What is 1 times 3? 3. Your answer should be the same. Okay, but this cancelling method is for those yang confident sahaja. If you're not confident using this, it's fine. You can use this method step by step, one by one. Okay? So, your exercise for today would be, don't worry, sikit saja sebab puasa. So, today exercise is Green Book, page 105. Use pencil. Some of you masih pakai pen. There's a reason why teacher suruh kamu pakai pencil. And then if you have done, please take photo as usual and send to teacher through WhatsApp. I just write it down here, WhatsApp. And then cut and paste today's notes ke dalam Maths Big Book. Okay, Maths Notebook. Alright. Don't forget today's notes yang Saturday, 2nd May. Gunting and lakat. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Good luck everyone.